Once upon a time, there was a beautiful castle in a dark forest. The castle was home to a kind and generous king and queen, and their two children, a prince and a princess. The castle was also home to a large colony of bats, which lived in the attic. The bats were peaceful creatures, and they never bothered the humans who lived in the castle. One day, a wicked wizard came to the forest. The wizard was jealous of the king and queen, and he wanted to take over the castle. He cast a spell on the bats, turning them into angry and vicious creatures. The bats flew out of the attic and attacked the humans in the castle. The king, queen, prince, and princess were caught off guard by the attack. They fought bravely, but they were outnumbered by the bats. The bats were biting and scratching, and they were causing a lot of damage. Just when it seemed like the humans were going to be defeated, a brave knight came to their rescue. The knight was armed with a sword and shield, and he fought the bats with great skill. The knight was able to drive the bats back into the attic, and he saved the humans from certain death. The wizard was furious that his plan had failed. He cast another spell on the bats, turning them back into their peaceful selves. The bats were grateful to the knight for saving them, and they promised to never attack the humans again. The king and queen were so grateful to the knight for saving their lives. They rewarded the knight with a feast and a title. The knight lived happily ever after in the castle, and he and the bats became friends. The end.